Same team.
Onions?
Yeah, you're my minions.
You
Get
said-
Rob.
We got onions? Onions, get them.
No, minions. You and Randy, you guys are my minions. Get Rob. He's talking shit about his leader.
I agree with him.
Then you'll die with him.
Watch out for the elephant. He's a beast.
Elefante.
Harry Belafonte?
I'm much better than him. Rob almost cost us another goal there.
I'm trying to grab this fucking ball.
Took out 2 of them.
Nope.
Oh!
Come on! Give me that game.
No, only I can score from deep.
No, that's not true. Nice.
Yeah, dog. Yeah, dog.
Wow.
I'm knocked out.
Bitch.
Block for me. Block for me.
I set that up.
No!
What the fuck? What are you doing?
I knocked myself!
Man, that knocks me out.
Got a bomb. I got a
Got
bomb. Here
you.
it comes. There's a lot of bombs. A lot of bombs going on. It's big
Later.
risk you
I'm
took there,
still
bro.
up. Oh shit! I think I'm dead. I can't get up. Oh, there we go. Oh shit.
Get his ass. What the?
He's coming for the chain. Or I got a thing over here.
Well, get up.
Okay. Don't want it to.
Holy shit, it's a gaggle.
Later, Rob.
Later.
This is
Oh no, man.
Yeet!
Damn.
What the fuck?
It doesn't let me throw.
I got him again. I can't
We
grab
got
him.
him? Okay.
Thank you. Fucking A. Good game, guys. Good game. And I guess I just wanted to slap your hands like a motherfucker.
You got it? Nice.
Yep.
Goal.
Nice hit.
Too much pepper on. Too much
Nice
pepper on that.
hit.
Thank you.
I'll take the goal for that.
You gonna take some credit?
Well, I'm gonna take all the credit. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, watch what he does right here. Watch his bunny. Nice! That was great.
Yeah. Take a little credit for that.
Off the wall, off his head, right to Joe,
Ah,
to the wall,
to the window.
right to Mark.
We'll take a little credit for that.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
What the fuck happened?
You were up here fucking playing grab ass again.
Yeah, how them nuts taste, bitch.
Oh, there's honor!
What do you mean, this honor?
It's otter.
Holy shit!
Did you enjoy that game, Joe?
No.
Oh.
Bunch of AFKers. I also got killed by Harry Peter.
That's so funny. I was trying to grab him and I grabbed the ball by accident. So then I just threw it in.
Harry Peter, Harry Peter.
You got Harry, Peter, and one pump chump.
Cherry picking, cherry picking.
You see that block by me?
I saw it,
Oh, I
but
thought
what's
you were
happening
right.
with fucking sheep up there?
Doesn't pass to the sheep. Look at that. He splits the defense right down the middle.
I'm too good.
Touchdown.
It was all because of that pass.
Thank you.
No. What? Get on.
The grab and spin. Too easy.
All because of that pass.
I don't really view behind.
What pass?
The one from last round.
Exactly.
No, because of the pass.
No, not that one.
That one, no, because of the pass.
Yeah, the pass right off the rip that almost went in. That was mine. Oh, they want to talk shit, huh?
Yeah, they're talking back now. Too much talking.
That was too smooth.
Good move.
Oh, my head's in the ground. Fuck yeah.
There's one.
Oh no, we're good.
Oh, he got me. Help me, Randy. Randy, help me. Randy.
Nope.
Randy's
Sorry.
got the weapons.
I was.
Randy.
What?
I don't know. How's he up? Jesus Christ, this game is horrible.
That's my bomb. Right to you.
He's dead. He's dead.
Let's go.
This guy throws a bomb and doesn't say anything until it's on me.
Yeah, you have plenty of time.
Nope.
Wow. That is... he smiled.
And I'm up.
Fuck
2v4.
his teammate.
Oh, Joe, you almost got 3 of them right there.
Yep. The bear saved all of them.
Yeah. All right, 1v1.
He's got a bow. You got chucks. What's gonna happen? You threw the chucks. You didn't want them. They were trash nunchucks. We don't want those. You got this. You got this. You got this. You don't got this.
What? What just happened? What just
It was
happened?
like you're on, you know, the gymnastics that spin on the bar. Oh, Jesus.
Oh shit! I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm
Watch,
dead. I'm
I
dead.
punched him. Thank you. Oh. He was out forever. He was out forever.
Got him. Throw him. Throw him.
Oh, I thought it was you that got knocked out. I'm sorry. I was trying to save you. I'm out of stamina. I'm dead. He threw me off. He got me.
Oh my God. You got him? Oh my God.
Oh, he off the wall. Oh shit!
Getting his stamina, getting his stamina.
Nice hit.
Nice hit. Oh, no way.
That's
not
free.
the
That's
goalie.
free.
Nice.
I like how fucking Mark says that to fucking try and get Joe to fuck up. It's free. It's free. Don't miss. It's free. If you miss, you suck. It's free.
Why would it? That's not what I'm doing at all.
Very
Thank God I didn't fuck up.
That's free.
free.
I'm whooping
What
him.
the?
You
Randy's
saw it.
doing flips and he's still. Oh, right to Joe. Oh,
Get on. Get on. That's free.
nice. Wait, what the fuck? Nice.
I had to quick react to that. I wasn't ready.
Flip and then he was still going.
Yeah. Like this?
Yeah, it's free. Nice.
There is.
I prefer it.
Just luck. Yeah. Just luck. We're either cheating or it's luck.
One of the
Every
two.
time.